So the rear panel can be removed from the rear. Here's some retaining clips for this handle that come out, and then you kind of wiggle the handle out. Chances are you'll break it. Everybody breaks it. Some people just have the latch go bad, and generally it's this cable here that comes off of either the unlock mechanism, the door lock mechanism, or down here on the actual outside latch mechanism. So for other people, the actual lock-unlock mechanism inside the door unit has gone bad, and then you can't open the door. The only way to get to that is to literally take this unlock mechanism, it's plastic, and use the crowbar from your wheels and just break it off so that you can get to the mechanism that's behind the latch and unlatch the door and actually get the door open to get the rest of the mechanism out and replace it. Alright, after you've busted out the box for the locking mechanism, you'll be left with the linkage in the door, and it's basically you just push up on this lever with your finger and you can open your back door. Okay, reconnect the door latch cable to the new mechanism, and then this mechanism just slides back inside the door and attaches from the outside.